Alright guys, we got a 2018 Honda Accord front bumper we're going to be replacing. Got damage to the front right here. The undercarriage got ripped off. So we're going to go ahead and replace it with a pre-painted auto body part from ReveMoto. So it looks like this. Already painted to color match your car. I'm showing you guys this video so you guys can see that we are actually just replacing it with a pre-painted auto body part, and it actually color matches, and it's really easy for you guys to do it yourself at home. So follow along, show you guys how to do this one right here, and pretty much any vehicle is almost the same. So it's going to be something to take off on the sides. This one, the bolt. So this is not like a how-to video, it's just to show you guys like the true difference between, well, not difference, but like show you guys that this is possible for you guys to do at home with ReveMoto, having the part already painted to color match your vehicle. You can see that part's already gone. We'll go to this side. So this side looks like the bolt is already off, so take that off. It's good. So usually underneath there's going to be like these push pins or screws for you guys. I'm showing you guys like a version that's like no magic tree, right? So I know like a lot of people are really like worried, like when they buy something like this, it's just a trick. All right, so this particular bumper, we're gonna go on top and pull it off. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and lift up the hood. So again, removing the front bumper in a lot of vehicles is exactly like the same way. It's like always going to be bolts on the side. There's always going to be push pins or bolts on the bottom. And there's always going to be something to take off on the top, which is usually push pins also. And a lot of these push pins right here can be reused, but if you guys damage it, it's fine also, because you can buy these at the local AutoZone or go to a dealership. They're fairly inexpensive, but again, as you guys can see, if you guys do carefully, it'll come right off. And then it's usually the front bumper. That's usually it. And then you can just go ahead and take this bumper off. This one got so they're exactly like this, you know, they're just clipped on there, but this one is on there pretty tight. Rips off like that. Same thing on this side. Rips off like that, and it tends to fall like that. And then you unhook this. Ah, look, I just unhook this. So usually, if you guys have like a fog light, it's gonna be clipped like this, or harnesses like this. Let's take it off. And now, all you do is put all the accessories onto the new bumper. So off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on because the camera's dying out, but it's very simple, you know, to put the accessories back on, and then when we return, I'll show you guys how to put it back onto the vehicle and show you guys the color match, because I know a lot of people were concerned that the color match wasn't going to be spot on, or that we're doing some trickery, that we're showing you guys like the bumper's already painted, but in reality we're blending and stuff like that all over the vehicle. But this video should show you guys that this is the way it goes. This is a new way to repair your vehicle at ReveMoto.com. Let's see, just lining up those clips and they'll start popping into place. Just be careful for this one and this one. This one. Just pops into place like that. Okay. And now we can flip it. Now we can kind of push down on it right here. Here you can see, usually just clips into place. Just like that. So now we gotta get these screws. There we go. This one was missing a lot of screws for some reason, so I have to go find some more of it. And this new piece actually goes onto here. And this. Alright, now all the accessories back on. Let's go ahead and put this bumper on. So this one you gotta slide in here first. Now check the color match. Perfect. Perfect. So you guys can see everything color matches perfectly to your vehicle. So what are you guys waiting for? Go to ReveMoto.com, get your part already painted to color match your exact color of your vehicle. This is looking beautiful. And it's done at your home. We did it at our shop all in one day because the part already came already painted to match. Let me finish this up for you guys and show you guys the final result. So always, these fog lights need to be plugged in. Always plug in your fog lights. Oh my God.